caring, supportive,
Always professional.
I'm a nurse at one of the hospitals where Dr. Najera practices. I started checking around to see who would be the best to do the procedures I wanted done, and the nurses that work with him in the OR were telling me how great his work was, and they were all astounded by how well he did, and it was awesome. I chose him. I was referred to Dr. Najera by my primary breast surgeon after being diagnosed with breast cancer.
I came to Dr. Najera's office for the open house, and I went home and I slept on it. I was so glad that there was no pressure. When I was ready, I came back to make the decision that I did want to go with the procedure.
My passion is cosmetic and reconstructive surgery, but I really enjoy my patients when they come to me, and I really enjoy understanding what they're going through.
I chose Dr. Najera because he was warm, calming, and confident. I actually got a chance to pick out my surgery team, and they assured me that he would make sure everything was perfect and that he wouldn't stop until it was. And he actually went over in both of my procedures, time-wise, making everything perfect. He sculptured my body like an artist.
My patients who come to me requiring reconstructive surgery all come with a common theme. They're often confused, or they have a diagnosis of cancer. They're often frightened, or they've been through numerous surgeons and really haven't had any success. So my job is to understand what their problem is and tailor a treatment plan specific for this patient.
The staff is fabulous. They know my name. They are sweet, sincere, compassionate, and friendly. They make me feel like I'm one of their friends and they're looking out for me.
What I like about the office staff is that they care about you, what's going on with your personal life, your children, your family. When you come back, they ask you, how are your children? How is your family? What's going on in your personal life?
I want my patients to know that I'm very thankful to be in the position that I am today, to help them, that they're not alone in this journey, that I'm going to be with them throughout this journey the entire way. I'm going to provide them with the comfort, the education, and the support they need to get through this journey.
I did need to contact Dr. Najera after a side effect occurred after my mastectomy with reconstruction. I called and the office was closed, and I left a message, and Dr. Najera called back almost immediately, talked to me personally, gave me some guidelines, and then continued to follow up with me personally while he was not working in the office. When I call and I have a question, I get phone calls back from the staff or from Dr. Najera personally, and they'll talk to me as long as I need to and make me feel as comfortable. They don't get off the phone until I need to.
Women come to me with a wide variety of breast procedure requests. Often they come in confused, not understanding what can be done for them. They often hear from their friends maybe scary stories about what's happened to them or what they should or should not do.
I met with other plastic surgeons prior to meeting Dr. Najera and found them to be lacking in bedside manner, rather cold, quick, and rude. I work with several cosmetic surgeons. They're just doctors. Dr. Najera is an artist with an artist passion.
My job is really to explain to them what their particular situation, how I can help them, what surgery would be best for them, and really to alleviate any of those fears that they had about surgery.
Another thing I like about Dr. Najera is it's not a hard sell, it's not oversell. In fact, he won't even do a procedure unless he feels it's necessary. They don't overshow you a bunch of before and afters. They show you what you're going to look like. They work with what's comfortable for you.
Dr. Najera is supportive, professional, and a perfectionist, and he would not do anything that is not right for your body.
Dr. Najera is absolutely an artist. Considering that he created my breast from nothing after the mastectomy, followed me through over a number of surgeries in order to get the best possible outcome and create something from essentially nothing with the best possible outcome I could have ever hoped for is astounding to me, and I am very grateful to him for that. I would recommend Dr. Najera because he cares, he has great hands, he's a perfectionist, whether you're asleep or awake.
I'm very happy about myself. This procedure has given me great confidence, and I'm very happy about my body.
He means confidence. And unless you knew me before I had the surgery, you can't imagine what that truly means to me.
Always professional.
Never any pressure.
Caring, supportive, genuine.
I absolutely trust him.